This video will help you with the Ergo Table assembly. In your kit you will find a user's manual, you will find an important safety sheet, and also an assembly instruction sheet. 4 box core base bolts, 4 screw socket round M8x16 bolts, a socket for the base bolts, a power drill or a hand ratchet, 8 screw socket flathead M8x16 bolts. In your parts box, you will also find 1/4x20 5/8 undercut flathead bolts. You will also find the plugs and hardware for the adjustable table's power supply. Your parts box includes multiple pieces of hardware. Inside you will find your power supply output, you will find your power supply output bracket, you will find your appropriate Allen wrenches, your digital handset control and cables, a bag with additional mounting hardware and components, as well as your ECS and control box. Additionally, in the box you will find both adjustable legs as well as the side brackets. Start by taking out your adjustable legs, your side brackets, and your adjustable crossbars. This will make it easy to adapt the parts together. Start by loosening up the set screw on the adjustable crossbars. This allows you to telescope the crossbar in and out. To adjust the crossbar correctly, slide out the crossbar all the way past all 3 of the holes. Slowly slide the crossbar forward to make sure you've pulled it back all the way, and then clear it from the 3rd and final hole. Using the assembly instructions, choose the correct flathead bolt. Locate the 2 holes at the bottom of the adjustable feet and line them up with the adjustable crossbar. Next, you're going to tighten in all of the screws to hold the adjustable crossbar together. You are going to continue to repeat this process on both sides of the unit. Now you are going to attach the side brackets. Use these 2 holes to line up with the top of the adjustable leg. You will find that there are 2 threaded holes already pre-tapped that line up perfectly with the side brackets. Use the correct flathead screws from the assembly instructions. Repeat this process on both sides of the unit. With the unit upside down, pre-adjust the distances apart. The 2 units should be spaced approximately 33.5 inches from outside edge to edge. The adjustable crossbar should be spaced from outside edge to edge 38 inches. Now you're going to place the base on top of the 4 legs. You still may need to make a little bit of micro adjustment to this spacing apart. Take the appropriate screws provided and fasten them in the legs. Remember to leave these slightly loose so that you can make micro adjustments. Once they are all micro adjusted, you can tighten them down all the way. Next, you're going to flip the table back over and place the box core in the center. With the box core in place, you're now going to tighten in the screws that are going to hold it down to the unit. This can be done with a socket wrench or a battery-powered hand tool with a socket end. Next, take your power supply bracket and place it in the appropriate position. Now place your power supply on top of the bracket and micro adjust it into the correct location. Use the 2 holes in the bracket to place the screws. Your ECS and control box has very specific connections. The cords will only fit to the correct male and female connectors. Using your assembly instructions, connect all of the cords to the appropriate places on the ECS control box. Next, attach all the appropriate cords into the digital handset and also connect the handset to the ECS control box. This concludes the basic assembly of the AMS Ergo Table.